Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, I would like to show you the local and middle term targets for Shiba Inu, SHIB USDT trading pair with my customer cursor. Let's dive in. I think in the next bear market, we will drop to this area. So I will mark the price 0.12345,504. So this one, this is a monthly full fill favorable gap, or we'll leave it in April 21. And I think we will see something like this move next bear market, and this can be the top for this cycle. So around 0.406, this can be the top for a SHIB. In the most positive case scenario, of course, guys, we can just cut 1 0 and reach 0.301. So this is like a psychological trigger. Shiba Inu too heavy by market capitalization. Also no hype around the SHIB now. Yes, nobody talk about it. Everybody focus now on Solana meme tokens. We get a lot of new mascot, so let's be real. And the SHIB community, yes, still strong, but there's nothing new for Shiba Inu. Do I believe SHIB anyway will perform? Because anyway, it's so popular meme token. We formed the two main liquidity pools here, which will leave at December 24 and March 24. So I believe we will bounce and grab that liquidity. That's why all eyes will be on timing, more about a timing. So for example, if let's say November 25, BTC dominance will be around, let's say, like 50% or 55%, and SHIB will be here, it's can be the time to sell the Shiba Inu. Of course, we can see some crazy parabolic move, but guys, be careful. And the crazy parabolic move, it can be like 3 drives pattern, global one, but be careful, guys, because a lot of people think the SHIB will perform once again to the moon. Still, some people believe the Shiba Inu can hit the $1. I have no idea how it even possible. People never heard about the market capitalization and realistic targets. So I hope you guys build your personal plan. If you still in SHIB, if you hold it, basically, if we will not see the crazy rats August or September, yes, the reward will be opened to the 0.4033, this first step, because we already sweep it 2 times this low. Basically, no makes sense to drop once again to the low. So now we get this also like liquidity pool under. So technically it can be just range, but the main liquidity, we already sweep it, and the close to the monthly gap. That's why in the next bear market, I think we'll drop to this area. Locally now for middle term targets, we probably will trade in this range. So it's a range like 357%. First FTA, first troubled area, it's at 238% from the low of June. Next step is here. So everything pretty simple, guys. Don't need to build a crazy complicated charts. This is a global, by the way, charts of SHIB. This is how the chart looks like in June 2020, and after that skyrocket in April, May, and October 21. This is on a Binance, listing on a Binance, and that's why, guys, on a Binance it looks like a range. It looks like a range, bottom, top, and it's a range. So anyway, the most positive case scenario, it's a forming deviation at the top. So with a weak like 0.301, something like this one, and drop. And anyway, the next deviation will be at the bottom. I don't think so. We will drop now to that low at 1.0. No, I don't think so. SHIB now, let's double check. Let's continue the analysis on this chart, global one. Now we are not so far from the test of the buy line. Buy line now on SHIB on the weekly time frame, it's 0.4011. So you can mark this level if you wait to buy lower, right, SHIB, and if you feel not comfortable. And now you can wait that target probably the next week if we'll see that drop like 15%. After that, guys, anyway, we will bounce to the take profit line. So it will be like 97% exit line and going higher to the liquidity pool. If we look at on the chart, and if November, October This one. November, it's the end of cycle for BTC. Alts can perform a little bit longer till January, for example, or even the spring 2025. That's why, guys, build the realistic targets for any token, not only about a SHIB. If we cut all noise on the line chart, we also can identify the actual high. So sooner or later, anyway, we will bounce and sweep that liquidity right on the line chart. That's why, guys, take profit, exit line, I showed you. Daily time frame. Let's double check where we can drop. For example, if we will see the correction again on alts, so we can add 1-0, and on a daily we can test 0.5087. This one. Do you believe in that targets? Honestly, not. Honestly, not. I wish to see the sweep of this low, of course, this one local, and test buy line on weekly time frame. I don't think so. We're gonna drop 36%. 15, it's okay. So it will be like tiny consolidation, sweep liquidity, drop, and go higher. So this is what I'm waiting for Shiba Inu. So around this block, I probably maybe will even open the long position on SHIB with stop losses. Of course, I don't believe in daily time frame buy line. 12-hour time frame still the same. Still the same. So we just now in the middle. That's why, guys, build a realistic targets on monthly. Still not yet, not visible. Take profit line. So let's double check ADZ direction. ADZ I can show you, it's a global chart. Direction on the monthly, we not in a zone of distribution. It's good one. Weekly time frame, we on the middle line. Also not like bearish signal, it's more bullish. All this same period since March 2025 until end of June, the wells accumulate SHIB. Last time it's happened here. Accumulation June 2023, pump. That time the SHIB pumped at like in average, let's count an average, like 475%, so around 500. So the same story can be here. If we will pump in average, like let's say from this high, 500 is going to be here. Yes, around 0.206 to 0.7. Just in case, it's possible to see that prices. Daily time frame, guys, also no sales, nothing. So, you know, now maybe there is no sales because not that much interest in SHIB. But I believe by seasonality, we will, yes, we can form, of course, the low, form the double bottom, and go higher. So just a matter of time. But, guys, daily now it's not a sell zone. Sooner, I think we'll see the accumulation again. Market mood, daily was a hope, optimism. Now it's like still positive for SHIB. Weekly time frame, we're in disbelief zone, so it's a good one. Last time, just compare, just here. This was that time period, end of summer, June, August, September, October, November, and the pump. This time I think will be or something similar, and we will be extended in time so to see the next targets, bullish one in spring, or you know we can finish. Yes, if we copy paste this model, it can be the just extended in time. So the last hype was in March 2024, so probably it can be the March 2026. Now it's okay zone accumulation for SHIB if you want to accumulate some meme coin, but it's still kind of heavy by market capitalization. Bullish targets, RSI bullish, they weren't seen. MACD bullish, they weren't seen. No, nothing. Not bullish, not bearish, nothing. Daily money inflow been here 1, 2, 3 days at the beginning of August. So I hope to see the correction, the last one correction on BTC and Ethereum, and after that, at the beginning, maybe the middle of September, main performance of wide sector alts. Daily buy, sell, buy back, nothing crazy bullishness. Sell, only buybacks. That's why next week I would like to see the red one, consolidation, maybe signal to buy or another buyback and go higher. Maybe this one looks like reversal, head and shoulder, maybe. Anyway, the target will be here, liquidity pool, and maybe next one. So guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap us in a comment what you think about SHIB. If you would like to trade with my customer, because I would show in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.